Hi, my name is Jessica. Welcome back to our channel, We Tried It. We're doing a 3-part series of a review of nail dashes by Red Aspen. If you didn't catch the other 2 parts, basically I started out with a review and short story. I'm absolutely loving these. And then I showed all the different lengths. There's a few different lengths, so be sure to check out that video if you're interested in purchasing these and are wondering what different lengths. But this video is going to be all about how to apply these and how do I get 2 weeks wear out of these, which is absolutely possible. I've had 2 weeks wear. I actually used this set, another one like this set, the Cami Wears Khaki in the almond length. And if you put them on well, I promise they will last for 2 weeks. So absolutely worth it. They range in price from about $10 to $14. And so it is really a good bang for your buck if you can get your full 2 weeks out of these nails. So today I'm going to be showing you how to put them on. I think I'm actually gonna go with this beautiful set, Marie and the Nutcracker, and this is the round length. And the reason I'm gonna use these is because I think they'll be the easiest to see on the video. So let's go ahead and open these up. So the first step is to clip all of your nails back as far as you can, comfortably, obviously. But I would never do that on video to you guys because what is more disgusting than watching somebody clip their own fingernails? Maybe clipping my toenails. So I have prepared my nails already by clipping them in advance, but that would be step 1, clip them all the way back. Okay, there's a few different things that come in the box along with the nail dashes. You also get a file and you get this little cuticle pusher right here. So the thing that I like to do first, I guess second after I've clipped my nails, is take off my cuticles. And so this is Blue Cross Cuticle Remover right here. And it is the best cuticle remover ever. You can see I'm almost out of this one, so I need to reorder, but it's from Amazon. And the link's down below. Definitely get yourself some of this. It makes your life so much easier to remove your cuticles with this. So what I do is I just pour, it has this awesome little pour top that comes out, and I just pour a little bit onto the cuticles of every nail, let them sit for a second, and then I take this little orange stick. I have like a million of these, so I used a different one upstairs, but same idea. And then you push your cuticles back all the way. And you want to push them back all the way on all of these nails because you don't want to stick the nail to the cuticle because that will make it lift up and fall off. So you just want the nail stuck to the actual nail. So push back all the cuticles just like that. Like I said, I already did this in advance because it takes a minute. And then I usually take a nail brush and just like scrub them really good, get all the gunk out of them. Because, you know, if you have toddlers like I do, you're wiping butts and who knows what else. So then I take this little file that comes in the box and I actually rough up all of these nails just like this. And a little bit of texture really helps hold the nail on. So rough up all of your nails just like this. Give them a little bit of texture. It obviously doesn't have to be perfect because, well, we're not going to be seeing it here in a second. So, you know, just give them a little love here, a little roughness, just so we get them to stick really, really well. Okay, the next step is to take an alcohol swab. You can also buy a million of these in a box, not a million, but at least 500 from Amazon. So I will link that down below as well. And these are really nice because, you know, you can get the bottle of it, but these just come in these little packages. You just need one. And you rub this on all of your nails and it just takes the oil off of your nails because the oil really prevents the glue from sticking well. So just take that oil off your nails, especially if you just use the cuticle softener, you know, just get all of that residue off. Get them nice and clean. I also like to do this because I don't want anything underneath the nails as far as like bacteria or anything like that. So I think it keeps them cleaner as well. Okay, so now the next step is you're going to take these nails and you're going to match them up to your fingers. So they actually have little numbers on them, which I cannot read for the life of me without my glasses. But you just take these little nails, look at the numbers, match them up to your finger. You want them to not be too big that they go over the finger, but you want them to cover the entire nail. So like this one is too big because it goes over the nail and it'll touch my finger. So you kind of have to play around with it for a minute and find just the perfect one. Like that one there, that one's pretty good. That might be just a little bit small. Okay, so after you've done that, which I will do this off camera so you don't have to see me struggle with all of these. The next step is to get this amazing glue right here. And this glue is Nail Ultra Quick Nail Glue, and it is the best nail glue ever. I think you can usually buy it on Amazon for about $2. I usually pay like $1.99 per thing. And you can use it a couple different times. These nail dash sets do come with a nail glue. I don't think it stays as well as this nail glue. Like, I just think this is the holy grail of nail glue. And I've used lots of different kinds. There's some on Amazon that you can get that come in a pack of like 20. Those just don't work as well as this. And like I said, you can use this for several different sets. You can keep this and continue to use this. So let's see, let's find one here that fits. This one looks really good, actually. This one fits my ring finger. So I'll show you how to apply this one right here. So we have taken the cuticle remover, we've pushed back our cuticle, we've taken the alcohol, rubbed that off. We also buffed up the nail a little bit to get it rough. And now we are going to use a big heaping thing of glue. So we're gonna put glue on the nail, just like that, a lot of glue. You'll be like, I'm gonna glue my fingers together. You have to be careful, but we're also gonna put some glue on the back of the nail dash. So we are talking about using a lot of glue here, but that's really what makes it stay. So now, oops, put it on backwards. That would not be good. We're gonna push this down just like this. Really try to push it into this space in between like where your cuticle and your nail meet. So it kind of nestles in there. And then hold it. Hold it for a good like 20 seconds because that is really gonna make the glue stick. Also, I like to do this at night so that I've already washed my face. I've already done all of my chores, because if you have to do dishes after you do this, or you have to wash your face or take a shower, they are not going to stick as well. I told you, we're using a lot of glue. So you'll have glue everywhere, but it comes right off. So then what I do before it dries too much, because it kind of glues your finger sometimes, is I just take this little orange stick and I just go around the back here and I just peel my finger away from the nail so that it doesn't stick to the nail. And that will make it a lot more comfortable tomorrow. So you don't wake up with all your fingers stuck to the nails just like that. All right, so we just put that one on. And like I said, we have some glue everywhere. Tomorrow morning, we'll wash our nails and our hands, obviously, and the glue will come off. So the glue doesn't last nearly as long on your fingers as it will underneath the nail. And if it's really bothering you, you can always take the little file and buff a little bit on your finger where you got the glue, and it'll take it right off too. Don't buff too much or else you'll take off part of your finger, obviously. But that is how you get them to stay for 2 weeks. And they look really nice and really natural. I'll be back in just a second with all of them on. See you soon. So now I have all 10 nail dashes on. I would not make you suffer through watching me do that. I put them all on like the first one I showed you, but don't they look absolutely fantastic? I could never paint my nails this red color because I would have it everywhere. And these look beautiful. And these are just really easy to put on. They're a great value. Like I said, they last me about 2 weeks. They cost me about $10, $14. And so you are really getting good value out of these. I really encourage you to try them. We do have our link down below if you'd like to shop with us, and let me know what you think. Also, we are doing a giveaway, so if you would like to win a box of these Red Aspen nails, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to our channel. And at the end of February, we will pick 3 lucky winners, 1 winner from each video, to go ahead and win their own box of nail dashes. So thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you have an easy time putting this on. Maybe the first time it'll take a little bit of time, but I promise you will get super fast at it. I can do it in about 5 minutes now, all said and done. So enjoy your nails, ladies, and have a great day. Bye.